Hi, I'm Steve from Indian Creek Sports, and today I'm showing you the brand new Kodiak Defender. This Defender, totally street legal. It's got your 14-inch custom wheels. It's ran by a 8-year warranty lithium battery. It's got a custom steering wheel, digital voltmeter, speedometer with USB charging ports. It's got a fully extended roof. The frame is a heavy-duty aluminum frame. It has the Deluxe light kit, turn signals, brake lights, and hazards, and it does have a horn. It's got adjustable mirrors with the blinkers in them, and a windshield that folds down. It's got custom hydraulic four-wheel disc brakes, a flip-down back seat that turns into a trunk area for storage, seat belts for all 4 passengers, we're selling this electric vehicle that is totally street legal. All you need to do is get it registered and put the plates on it. So come in, take a look at all of our electric carts. We also have the Edge, the Kodiak electric carts, and the Aventon electric bikes.